Do you know that you can zoom in and zoom out in your Photoshop even without going through your zoom tool? To do this, you need to ensure that you have an external mouse, or your laptop should have a scroll button on the mouse pad. To zoom in and out in your Photoshop, just hold on your alternate key on your keyboard. When you press alternate key on your keyboard, the icon for your cursor will change. It will look like a black and a white arrow overlapping on each other, just like you're seeing it on my screen now. To zoom in, still hold on your alternate key on your keyboard. Then you scroll up with your scroll button on your mouse. To zoom out, you just need to scroll down. You will zoom out. So as you scroll up, you are zooming in. As you scroll down, you are zooming out, with your hand still on your alternate key on your keyboard. If you remove your hand from the alternate key, it will be scrolling up and scrolling down, just as you're seeing it here. To scroll from left to right, just hold on your control key on your keyboard and scroll up on your mouse scroll button. As you scroll up, it will be going to the left hand side, and as you scroll down, it will be going to the right hand side with your hand still on your control key. I believe you've learned something new today. I am Mystic Chivisin, your Mystic graphic designer and tutor. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do that now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button, because we'll be bringing you videos that will educate you as a creative. Thank you very much. God has blessed you.